I've provided you with a WDP file for each project that we've used during this AutoCAD Electrical 2010 Basic Concepts course. So how do you use those WDP files to get your drawings across into a new project? Well, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to set up a new project called Project 16, and it's going to be called Wrap Up, even though it hasn't actually got any drawings that are new in it. So the first thing you do when you open up AutoCAD Electrical is you'll see your project manager here on the left and a blank drawing area here. So you do a new drawing from the quick access toolbar. I've got the startup dialog box going with the startup variable set to 1. I'm just going to select a standard metric template, AutoCAD ISO. You need a blank drawing open to set up a new project. That's why I've done that. Okay, new project is here, like so. So I click on new project. And I need to create a new project name. So I'll call it 16 dash and then wrap up like so. Now it says location. Now it'll install it in the default project folder, which is in your My Documents folder on your laptop or your computer. And we're going to create a folder with the project name. So you'll see there, it'll actually create a WDP file, a new one for this wrap up project there. But I can copy the settings from another WDP file. So if I browse here now, it'll allow me to go and look for this type of file here, a WDP file. That's the WDP file I want my recap one there from the previous section. So I'll open that. All ready to go now, so I'll OK that like so, and off it goes. There's my new project. Now double click on that project. There aren't any drawings, so what you do is you go and find the drawings in the appropriate section. Now what I've done with the work files is there's a folder. So the folder will be, for example, 16 wrap up or 15 recap. The WDP file and the drawing files are in that folder for each section of this course. So wrap up there, I need to right click on the project and add drawings. I then need to go and find those drawings. So I'm in the wrap up folder, there aren't any there. If I go up though, to say 15 recap there and double click, there's my files there. So I select all the drawings, just a crossing window like that. I add them. Do you want to apply the project default values? Well, yes you do, because they come from the WDP file. When you click on yes, it'll add those drawings. It's checking for files now, and what you'll find is it'll update the project. There it goes. And when I double click now, there's my drawings added to my project like so. Now you'll notice the sheet numbering doesn't come across. It won't do that because that's a brand new project. You need to do that yourself and set that up using right click properties, drawing properties. So you change your sheet value there. That wouldn't be 05, would it? It would be 01 because it's the first drawing, and so on and so forth. And you can see there that as soon as you put number 1 in, it remembers the settings, albeit not in numerical order, but they're there. So you can see there, using that WDP file and the drawing files I've provided in the work files folders, you can set up your projects and all your drawings will come through.